Okay, we just wanted to show you what we did for the ceiling here. What we have is 2 pieces of 1.5" pink foam and a piece of 3/4 inch green foam. This went up in the ceiling. So in between the rafters, we have this and this. That gave us 3 3/4 inches of insulation. Then we made furring strips and painted it to seal it. So in case any moisture got above the ceiling, it doesn't get in. And there's furring strips across the ceiling going this way to each one of the beams. This is what the ceiling is attaching to. And to put this board up, we screwed it about every 16 inches with some self-tapping screws into the metal, into the aluminum beams going across to hold it up. And then we also have the wires. We swing over here a little bit. All the wires for the lights are above the green insulation. So below the pink, the wires run across here, and I sandwiched it in here.